Hello everyone, myself Sangeeta Singh, BMS third year student, would love to express my gratitude towards Dr. Ramya Krishnan ma'am and Dr. Rajkumar sir for their Nobel Bharat Mission Bhishak through SBBA Wisdom Series. As I crossed my path with Dr. Ramya ma'am through FB in 2019, and I get amazed by all the posts written by Dr. Ramya ma'am, because as a student I completely feel the lack of upgradation in our curriculum, as many conventional Ayurveda member tried to put ma'am down, but ma'am never ever stopped telling the truth, because I know each and every word spoken by ma'am was true. So the best part of this lockdown was SBBA webinar series. Till now, I have attended all the webinars of SBBA, and frankly speaking, no one could give me the level of confidence given by ma'am and sir, because they teach us the Shastra art of Shastra, not just spoon feeding the name of medicines and the experience of their own practice. They make you leaders by teaching us Shastra art of Shastra. Now, when I see the cases, I know how to diagnose, how to manage, how to treat, how to do Hetu Viprit Chikitsa in hypersensitivity, DUB, hypertension, heart attack, thyroid, diabetes, and many such diseases. I completely understand that how I can do a Hetu Viprit Chikitsa with single medicine and completely following the diet, medicated water, and also how to completely do the treatment in stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3, not by just giving a bunch of medicines and prescribing and giving to the patient, and patient will take and it will eat and that the connection overs. It's not like that. Many conventional Ayurveda members try to put ma'am and sir down by saying that their intention is wrong, their own greeds, by telling that their name should come up. For them, I want to say that जी की रही जैसी भावना प्रभु मूरत देखी तिन तैसी, because till now I have attended all the webinars, I have read the SBBA publication books. Whomsoever curse this mission na, at least they have to read the books of SBBA. Such a powerful book for Ayurveda fertility, as this book give us the real Shastra art of Shastra, especially the unveiling the truth in Ayurveda, evidence-based Ayurveda and rational prescription, Ayurvedic gynecology, and mission of science are such a powerful book that they should read that book and completely feel what is the real lacking. If they are capable, if they are good, then why they are getting so much offended by this mission? I never understand that if you are good, if you are good in your practice, if everything is good with you, then why you have to curse this mission? Everyone is doing their job. If you don't feel that this mission is good, not good for you, just leave that, don't see their post. But at least those who are going through this webinars, or at least learning something which is actually worth, shouldn't stop that doing. People also used to say that इन्हें लगता है ये ही हैं जिन्हें सब कुछ आता है. Frankly speaking, आयुर्वेद में जो भी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, they do not have any time कि वो ये सब भी बोलें. Everyone has their work. If you are doing good in your field, let it be. You don't have to be that much free to curse this or tell this that they are doing wrong, they are doing this, because If I am now in a third year, I am capable of doing Hetu Viprit Chikitsa with single medicine and treating everything, a whole body, in holistic manner, then I don't think there should be any problem with anybody. So at last, I am really very much thankful to Dr. Ramya Krishnan ma'am and Dr. Rajkumar sir for guiding us.